Hey guys, what's going on? It's Matt, Turn Number 943. In today's video, I'm just going to show you guys my Pennsylvania work train. It's a mix of manufacturers here, so we'll go ahead and show you about it and then we'll run it. So, to start off in the front here, we have an MTH Rail King Pennsylvania snowplow. This is one of the few times I've actually ran this car. I've had it for probably 6 years now, and I've used it like 10 times. It's not very used at all. Then behind it for power, I have a Premier weathered Pennsylvania S2. Then behind that I have two Atlas Pennsylvania gondolas. One of them has some tubular track rails in it, just for some junk to throw in there. Then behind it I have a Rail King Pennsylvania flat car with wheels on it that I weather myself. Then I have a Premier flat car with the bulkheads with the wood deck. It's got tubular track on it. I also weather that myself. And it came with scale tracks, although I replaced it with tubular track. Then behind it I have a semi-weathered Pennsylvania Premier boxcar, and then I also have an Atlas boxcar in the back. And then finally I have a rugged rail caboose from MTH. Now eventually I want to do more with this train. Eventually I'm going to dump the snowplow and get probably a Jordan spreader. The S2 is going to stay, of course, because that's a fantastic model. And then the gondolas, I'm probably going to get rid of those. Those are actually my uncle's. I've been having them for a while, but I'll probably give those back. And I want to get the, parts of the work train that MTH made back in '99, I think it was, with the crane and the gondola with junk and all that. So I'll get parts of that. I also want to get the crane, the legacy crane, Pennsylvania work crane. I know they made TMCC, but I'm waiting for Pennsylvania Legacy, so we'll see on that. The MOW cars, I'll keep those. I'll probably take the weathering off, though, and do a better job, because I didn't do a good job on those. The other cars, I'll keep those. Those really aren't work cars, but I threw them in there anyway. And then the caboose, I want to get an N8 with a camera on it, so we'll see. But for now, we'll go ahead and run this thing, and we'll catch you guys next time. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like I said, for now it's what we got, and it's something cool, you know. I had the S2 and wasn't really sure what I was going to do with it, so I've got it and figured I'll throw it on a work train. So for now it's what we got, but eventually it'll get to be really cool. So for now that's it, so you guys take care and we'll talk to you soon.